We know you're all about fast and light gear, and now your apparel will be just as technical. Our new 2021 apparel line features layers for all of your seasonal pursuits with improved construction techniques and materials to keep your kit lighter and more functional. In 2020, we debuted our completely redesigned apparel line with updated styles, colors, and more important, sustainably sourced insulation, shell, and lining fabrics. Our sustainability story has scored extra kudos with our loyal brand advocates and across the industry. We'll continue that story throughout the new 2021 line while focused on a solid combination of comfort, performance, and sustainability. This fresh set of colors was inspired by unexpected classics with color combinations that are warm, grounding, and evoke nostalgia for more time spent outdoors. This season, we've expanded our apparel line to fit your adventurous, athletic lifestyle and keep you insanely warm and comfortable through it all. In all our down styles, we source RDS certified, Blue Sign certified, and PFC-free Down Tech water repellent down. What does that mean for you? Your down insulation stays dry 27 times longer than regular down, and it's sustainably sourced. You'll also find a down tracker tag with a scannable QR code to view the unique origin story, certifications, and properties of the down inside your jacket. We hope you're just as excited as us for a fresh new line to kick off a brand new year. From new colors to additional styles, we are proud of our apparel line that just keeps getting better. The mother of comfort is making its mark on all 4 seasons with ultralight, superlight, base camp, and expedition level styles.